My name is Dr. Joseph D'Alonzo. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgery. Some of the conditions that I treat include hip and knee arthritis. I also treat failed hip and knee replacements. So I specialize in revision surgery of both the hip and the knee. So I approach each patient individually. I start with a good history, followed by a comprehensive physical exam. After that, we review imaging together. Typically that's x-rays. And then we devise a plan that's specific for that patient. Depending on what the patient needs, whether that's conservative management or surgery, we're with them every step of the way. We are continuously following up with the patients, making sure that they are reaching their goals. If surgery ends up being the option, I treat all my patients like I would my own family. What I like best about what I do is the patients come in with debilitating conditions. They have difficulty walking, they have difficulty doing their activities of daily living, the things they love doing. And what I love the most is after I treat them, they are able to do the things they love. We give them their quality of life back. What sets Florida Orthopaedic Institute apart from other facilities is the enormous amount of fellowship-trained surgeons that they have available here, and that's why you're going to get the best care possible when you come to Florida Orthopaedic Institute.